In pending transactions, you'll notice that in pending payments, you will rarely, if ever, have something here. But for the sake of this test account, we want you to see exactly what you can expect. So as you look at the screen, you'll notice if you got a payment, it will ask you, the payment was to your address. And what was the amount in this case? $25, right? There you go. You have the hash, just in case it's there. This is a test account, so I don't know that it's real other than a test. Then you have one, the second one is for 1 Bitcoin, right? And the third one is for 1 Bitcoin. So if you go out to blockchain.info, so one way you can know, in our case it's a test, is you get a chance to search it out. Nothing happens, right? You can also do something else. A little trick of the trade is you click on the button and it'll go up there. And you don't see any 1 Bitcoin transactions, so you know that it also is artificial, right? So, but this is how you check on things, but we have it right in your dashboard so you can see. But why are they there? Why are they in pending? If they're ever in pending, if a user doesn't send enough or sends too much, like for example, excuse me, it's some amount that has not related to your account, it'll get hung up. It won't ever get to where it's going. It'll be hung up. Our system will catch it and hold to be sure what should happen with it. If in fact you catch your mistake, what we do is we actually sweep the system, and then someone in support will let us know that you have some pending funds and why, and then we confirm with you the account you want that sent back to, or the user, the person, the sender. But in many cases, we won't let our system like grossly underpay you. If someone's joining the $500 level and someone sends $5, we're not going to let it trick the system. We're going to make sure it gets caught in the system and they get that money back. When they're ready to play ball and do business the right way, then we'll let them do it. So, but this is just so you know, but you will rarely, if ever, see anything in this section. But I just want you to know what it's about. So the Bitcoin amount, the wallet address it's going to, and the hash to show you exactly how much was paid. That's it. See you in the next video.